on one side, but they had to make that roll.
Let's get this disconnect all opened up. Let's get my drill. Okay, there's our line wired in. This back up there. Damn, this is a sharp blade. My Milwaukee knife don't cut like this. Put it away. Oh yeah? Don't want to be put away, I guess. What's your guys' preferred method to pulling wire through this type of conduit? Let me know, put me on, man. Just use the old method, that's what they were saying, but this is good. I don't know, people maybe don't know how to use it or what. Everybody was trashing this thing. Right here. Strip this sucker. There we go. I took off the box. I forgot to put a grommet right here. Start cleaning up. Come back tomorrow or another day.